Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Windows 11 under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Windows 11 experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Windows 11 users? They've got the basics covered. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal data stays safe from hackers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, protecting your identity and stopping any leaks on your Windows 11 device. Plus, they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what you do or where you connect from. But the places where they differ, well, that's what really matters for Windows 11. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Windows 11 because of its speed and features. It uses a massive network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could harm your system or slow down your browsing, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you securely connect your Windows 11 PC to other devices for private networking or safe file sharing. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices connected at once. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your PC, laptop, tablet, and phone all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any Windows 11 power user can check the code for backdoors. And here's the clincher, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a promise, it's been proven reliable. Then there's IPVanish, the totally independent player. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure, no middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for your Windows 11 firewall. And for anyone struggling with inconsistent speeds on Windows 11, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy for potentially better connection routing. This can help lower latency for smoother streaming or downloads. Just keep in mind you're trading off that extra layer of encryption for the boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Windows 11? NordVPN wins here, hands down, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. That means quicker downloads, faster browsing, and less buffering. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering steady, impressive speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found speeds fluctuate depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Pick NordVPN if speed and premium features matter most on Windows 11, especially for smooth streaming or gaming. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of Windows 11 devices or a family that needs protection. All your gadgets covered with unlimited connections and reliable infrastructure. And finally, choose PIA if you're budget conscious or a privacy enthusiast who values transparency. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record really set it apart. And that's it. We're running out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using on Windows 11. See you soon.